What keeps your lights on, your water running, and factories producing? It's not just the power lines or pipes, it's the hidden digital systems behind them. But what happens when those get targeted? Welcome to Scada and Beyond with Alana. Today, we're demystifying OT cybersecurity, the crucial defense you probably haven't thought about, and I'll break it down simply. Imagine you're in a chocolate factory. In the office, you've got computers handling emails and spreadsheets that's IT or information technology. But on the factory floor, there are machines controlling the temperature of the melting chocolate, managing conveyor belts, and packaging the bars, that's OT, or operational technology. While IT systems handle data, OT systems control physical things in the real world. These systems play a crucial role in places such as power plants, water treatment facilities, manufacturing plants, and even the refrigeration systems at your local grocery store. Here's the thing. These OT systems were originally designed to work in isolation, like a gated community. They weren't built with internet connectivity in mind, and many are decades old. But in today's connected world, companies want to monitor and control these systems remotely, collect data, and improve efficiency. That's where the problem begins. Picture it like this. It's as if we took that secure gated community, added dozens of new entrances, connected it to public roads, and gave access to delivery services, all without updating the old security system. That's what happens when we connect OT systems to networks and the internet. So why does this matter? Because OT systems control critical infrastructure that affects all our daily lives. A cyber attack on IT systems might steal data, but an attack on OT systems could have far more serious consequences, like shutting down power to entire cities, contaminating drinking water, stopping production at manufacturing plants, causing physical damage to equipment, and even risking lives. Remember the Colonial Pipeline incident in 2021? Hackers forced the shutdown of one of America's largest fuel pipelines, leading to fuel shortages across the East Coast. That's a real-world example of how OT security failures can directly impact everyday people. Protecting OT systems isn't the same as protecting IT systems. IT security focuses on data confidentiality, like keeping your online banking password safe. OT security, on the other hand, prioritizes safety and availability, ensuring systems keep running reliably and safely. It's like the difference between protecting your password and making sure your car's brakes work properly. Both are critical, but they require different approaches. As our world becomes more connected, understanding and protecting OT systems is more important than ever. These systems might operate quietly in the background, but they're the backbone of modern society, keeping our lights on, water flowing, and factories running. So remember, when it comes to OT security, it's not just about protecting data, it's about protecting the physical systems that power our world. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to learn more about this topic. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for additional insights. Thanks for watching.